I want to share with you a new and exciting feature of Google Calendar, and that is appointments. You can set up appointment times on your calendar and share your appointment calendar and have people sign up. So it's a wonderful tool and very easy to use. Actually, it's right on time for me because my students are turning in their final project proposals right now, and the next step is for us to have a conference. So I can let them know when I'll be available, and they can schedule a conference with me either in person or using Google Voice. So let's take a look at how this works. I want my appointments for next week, which will be Monday will be the 20th of June, and I'm just going to click on the time slot that I want, and notice right here it says appointment slots. So yes, I definitely want to set up some appointments, and in fact, we'll just go ahead and click on the appointment button, and these are student conferences, and I'm going to put them on my Math 120 calendar. Okay, and I'll go ahead and edit some of the details. Okay, I'm available from 9 to 10 during this time slot, so that's fine. Student conferences, I've already got that. Where I'm going to tell them either in my office or by conference call. And that's it. Now notice right here, before I save this, this is the address to my my calendar page where my appointments will be noted. Also note here on my calendar, I can tell that I have some appointment times set up, but no one's made an appointment yet. So we're going to look at how we can create or have someone make that appointment in just a second. But before we do that, I'm going to go back here and grab that address. And I'll just do Control C to copy it. And I'm going to switch over to my other account. And go ahead and put in my calendar address. Okay, and so for next week, what I see, and this is just the link that I would share with my students or on a website, I see that there are two slots. They're 30-minute slots from 9 until 10. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up for one. Okay, and I'll just save it. Now what happens is it saves this to my calendar, or the person who's signing up, it saves the appointment to their calendar. It also fills in the name on the originator's calendar. Okay, so I want to view this in my Google Calendar, and again, this is my second account, so let's save it. And this is for next week, and so here's the appointment right here. Notice also, if we look inside, we can cancel the appointment. It says that we've already responded that we are going because we went to the calendar and we signed up. So yes, we're going. And when I look at other details, I can see who else is attending this particular meeting. Okay, so that's really wonderful, and you can do all the pop-ups and reminders and everything. So that's great. Now let's go back over to the first account and see what things look like there now that we have someone signed up for our meeting. Now I'm over in the second account, and I can see that someone has signed up for the meeting. I still see that these were the slots that I had available. If I wanted to extend the number of appointments that I had available, then it's just that easy, just like extending any appointment on our calendar. Of course, Google is very thorough, at least that's what I believe. And so I was wondering, how would I know if I don't go into my calendar, how would I know that someone has signed up for an appointment with me? And when I went back to my mail, that's where I was able to find my appointment. So here we are in the mail account, and two things I want to point out to you. First of all, this email shows a canceled event. So if for whatever reason you need to cancel an appointment, you can just go to your calendar and delete it like any other event on your calendar. It cancels the appointment, and it also emails all of the participants in that appointment so that they know. Here's one informing us of the appointment in our mail, just as a reminder. And so that's how you would know, that someone's made an appointment on your calendar. It shows all the information, the location. If you need to get more details, you can. If you need to change your attendance status, you can do that here as well. And so I think this is a really wonderful tool. I'm excited to be able to share it with my students. I'll be telling them about it and giving them a link to it. And I hope you will find lots of uses for it as well.